morning, all my dears. How are you all? I hope you are very fine. Coming to the lesson. What is the name of lesson number 4? Nervous system. Yes, children. Nervous system. Today, I am here to talk to you all about sense organs. Okay, children. Sense organs. Okay. And firstly, I would like to tell you what are sense organs. What are sense organs? Sense organs are our windows to outside the world. Yes, how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Yes, what are called sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the organs that gather so much of information from our surroundings and send it to brain. Okay, they are called sense organs. Okay, now let's start with eyes. What is the first sense organ? Eyes. Eyes are very valuable and important sense organs, no children. What is happening in our surroundings? Everything we know because of our sense organs. Okay, she is a beautiful girl, Ishta. Okay, her name is Ishta. Okay, now so Ishta, close your eyes. Ishita, close your eyes. Okay, don't open, close your eyes. I will keep one bottle in front of her. Don't open the eyes. Okay, I will keep one bottle in front of her. Okay, Ishita, tell this, what is the color of this bottle, you know? What is the color of this bottle? She don't know. Why? Because she closed her eyes. Okay, open the eyes. What is the color of this bottle? Pink. This bottle color is, what is the color of this bottle? Pink. Without eyes, we cannot identify the colors. Yes, children? Is it clear? So, okay, with the help of eyes only, we can say the colors. Yes, we can identify the colors and sizes and shapes and pictures. Okay, now we enjoy the beauty of nature with our eyes, no children? Yes. Okay, and close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, in front of her and one more bottle. I am keeping one more bottle. Will you tell what is the color of this? She don't know. Open the eyes. What is the color of this? Red color. Okay, na? So with the help of eyes, we can differentiate the colors. Okay, na? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Read this main heading. She don't know. Okay, na? Why? Because she closed her eyes. Okay, so with the help of eyes, we can read the textbook or we can read everything, no, paper, newspaper. Okay, we can read everything, okay, on the newspaper or textbook or notebook. Okay, we can differentiate the colors and pictures, okay, with the help of our eyes. Okay, with the help of our eyes. Okay, the next one, what? Sense organ, ears. Okay, close your eye, close your eyes. Okay, I have taken, yes, one bell. What is the sound of that bell? Open the eyes. What is the sound of that? Bell sound. Okay, yes, bell sound. Without eyes, we can say the sounds. When we are sitting in the classroom, one aeroplane is flying in the air, flying in the sky. We can say that sound is aeroplane sound, isn't it? Okay. So without eyes, we can hear different types of sounds. Some sounds may be pleasant, some are unpleasant, some are soft, some are loud. Okay, dog barking. Okay, dog barking, is it a pleasant or unpleasant sound? Unpleasant. When we are sitting in the class, when we sit in the class, okay, during the classes, some vehicles blow horns on the road. Definitely we can say that sound is okay, car sound or bus sound or auto sound, okay, or scooter sound, isn't it? Okay, na? So we can hear different sounds with the help of our ears. Okay, na? Okay, close your eyes. Eye spray sent on her body. Okay, yes, okay, on her body. Okay, now without eyes, yes, you feel. Eye to smelling it. She too smelling that perfume smell. Is it nice, Ishta? Open your eyes. Is it nice? Perfume smell is nice. So nice. Okay, now how do you know? With the help of your nose. Okay, without eyes we can say the smells. Okay, either it is bad smell or good smell. When we go when we stand near the dustbins, yes, we feel bad smell, isn't it? Okay, now we smell. Now still good smell is coming. Yes, Ishta, right? Yes, perfume smell is still coming. Okay, now how do you know? With the help of nose. We smell the things with the help of nose, and continuously we breathe through the nose only. Okay, now tongue. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes, Ishita. Okay, see what I am doing. You too doing. You too do. Okay, na later. Okay, open the tongue. Open the tongue. Tongue. Okay. I drop. Okay. I squeeze just one drop of lemon. How do you feel? What is the taste? What is the taste of it? Sour taste. Yes, children, it is a sour taste. Okay, na? And okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. I will give you one thing, but she don't know. Yes, eat it. Eat it. Eat. Eat. What is the taste of it?
Chocolate.
What is the taste?
5 star.
What is the taste?
Chocolate taste.
Sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Sweet taste. Okay, na? So how do you know? With the help of tongue. Okay, with the help of tongue, we taste different things. Either it is sour or salt or bitter or sweet. Is it clear? Okay, now we every day we are eating so many kinds of things. We can say that is it sour or salt or bitter or sweet? Definitely chocolates give sweet taste, and lemon sour taste, salt salty taste, bitter gourd bitter taste. Okay, children, on the tongue number of taste buds are present, amma. Okay, na? Yes. Okay, na? So yes, now close your eyes. Close your eyes. Now take I am taking one thing and keeping in her hand. Okay, how do you feel? What is the name of this? Do you know?
Cotton.
Cotton. How do you feel it?
Soft.
Soft and smooth. Okay, by touching only, yes, we say that thing is soft or hard. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, yes. How do you feel, amma? How do you feel? Hard.
Hard.
How do you feel? Hard. We can say that it is a hard. By touching only, we can say that it is. Okay, we can say that feel. Okay, we can say that soft or smooth or hard. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now I pinch this girl hand. I pinch this girl hand. Is she feel? Definitely she feels pain, no children? Yes. So by touching only, we can say that touch your cheeks. Touch your cheeks like this, touch your forehead like this, touch your hands, touch your hands, touch your hands. Okay, now how do you feel, amma? You too do like that. We are feeling soft. We are feeling soft. By touching only, we can say that soft or hard. Okay, touching this hair very soft. Touching the cloth very soft. Okay, now you too do that activity in your home, children. Okay, na? So how many sense organs? 5 sense organs. What is the function of eyes? To see. Okay, what is the function of ears? To hear variety of sounds every day. What is the main function of nose? To smell the things and to breathe. What is the main function of tongue? To taste. What is the main function of the skin? Largest organ in the body. Okay, we feel yes, we feel pressure, we feel hot or cool. Take one ice cube and put on your fingers. Definitely we feel cool. Take one glass of hot water, keep not too much hot, lukewarm water, and keep fingers in the water. How do you feel? You feel something hot. Okay, by touching only we can say that either it is cool or hot or soft or smooth or hard. Is it clear? Okay, let's start with eyes. This is the structure of eye. Now we will discuss about the structure of an eye. Okay, see her eyes, amma. Move this side. Yes, see here. Open your eyes. See here, ma. Yes. Okay, now I will tell about the structure of eye, ma. These are all the eyebrows. These are all the eyebrows. Okay, na? And close your eyes. This is the eyelid. This is the upper eyelid, and this is the lower eyelid. Lower eyelid. Eyelid mota. Okay, na? So this is the upper eyelid. This is the lower eyelid. Eyelid means eyelid mota. Okay, so upper eyelid, lower eyelid. These hair is eyelashes. These are black color structures are called eyelashes. Eyelashes, eyelid, eyebrows. Is it clear? Okay, now see here, eyebrows, eyelid, eyelashes. Is it clear? Open eyes, amma. Open. See her face, amma. Yes, children, see her face. Yes, eyebrows, eyelashes and eyelids. Okay, na? So eyes are protected by eyebrows and eyelids. Eyes are protected by eyebrows and eyelids and eyelashes. Is it clear? Okay, how are the eyes protected, ma? Eyes are protected by eyebrows, eyelid and eyelashes. Is it clear? See her face. Eyelid, yes. Eyebrows prevent sweat from running into the eyes, amma. Eyelashes protect the eyes from dirt and dust. Eyelashes, for example, if I spray any powder on her hair, on her face, immediately she closes her eyes, no children? Yes, you too doing like that only. If I spray anything on her eyes, okay, immediately we are closing, no children? Yes, that means what? Eyelashes protect the eyeball. Eyelashes protects the eyes from injuries and dust and dirt. Is it clear? Now Ishta, open your eyes. Yes, see here, ma. Okay, open her eye. Open, eyes open. Yes, see this white part is called sclera. What we call white part. This white part is called sclera. In the center of the eye, open. In the center of the eye, dark, yes, one blue color structure is present, that is called iris. Okay, and in the center of the eye, see very carefully. Down. Stand there, amma. Yes, now, okay, now look at her. Yes, yes, see here. These are all the eyebrows. Move front, amma. Yes, these are all the eyebrows. Close eyes, close eyes. This is the eyelid. Very clear. Yes, children, very clear. Close eyes, close. Plainly. Yes, this is the eyelid, amma. This is the eyebrow. These are all the eyelashes. Okay, na? Okay, eyelashes protect the eye. Eyelashes protect the eye from injury and dust. Okay, na? So see here. Now open the eyes. Yes, this white part is open the eyes, amma. This white part is called sclera. In the center of the eye, see one blue color part is present, that is called iris. In the center of the iris, one black spot is present, that is called pupil. That is called pupil. Okay, and in front of the eye, one transparent layer is present, that is called cornea. Okay, cornea is the protective shield. Cornea is the protective shield. It protects the eye from injuries and dust. Okay, na? So listen, the round and color part of the eye is called iris. In the center of the iris, okay, black spot is present, that is called pupil. Okay, behind the pupil is the lens present, amma. Okay, Aishta? Okay. Is it clear, Tali? Is it clear? Okay, eyebrows, close, upper eyelid, lower eyelid, eyelashes. Okay, na? So eyelashes protect the eye from injuries, dust and dirt. Is it clear? Now open the eyes. In the white, okay, eyes are located in the sockets, no children? Yes, children. There are two sockets in the, yes, there are two sockets in the skull. This is the skull, no children. There are two sockets in the skull, yes, that contains the eyeball. This is the eyeball. This white color part is called the eyeball. Is it clear? Okay. Move Talli. Okay, see here, amma. Okay, now I will explain the structure of an eye. Okay, how do eyelid protect the eyeball from injuries and dust and dirt? Eyelid, mota. Eyelid protect the eye from injuries and dust and dirt. Is it clear? The white part of the eye is called sclera. Sclera. White part of the eye is called sclera. Okay, this part is called sclera. This is the eyeball. Okay, eyelashes. Okay, na, and eyebrow and eyelids. In the center of the eye, one blue color structure is present. See your mom's eye or your friend eye or your brother eye. Okay, circle. Okay, round like structure is present. That is called iris. In the center of the eyes, one black spot is present. That is called pupil. Behind the pupil is the lens. Behind the pupil is the lens. When light passes on the light rays. Where is the chalk? When light, chalk give me. Yes. Light travels through the pupil and the lens. Okay. Light travels like this. When the light travels like this. Okay. See here. When light travels through the pupil and the eye lens. This is the eye lens. Okay, and to the retina. Okay, retina, this is the retina. Retina acts like a screen. On the screen, images are formed, no children. On retina, images are formed. Okay, for example, when we stand in front of the mirror, your image is formed, no children. When we stand in front of the mirror, your image is formed. Is it clear? Like that. Like that, when the light passes, see here, when the light travels through the pupil and eye lens, okay, to the retina at the back of your eyes. The retina acts as a screen. Retina contains nerve cells. Nerve cells carry the messages to the brain through the optic nerve. Through the optic nerve, the brain study the messages, what we see that object. Is it clear? When light travels, passes through the, see here, I will explain once again. When light travels, passes through the pupil and the lens onto the retina. Onto the retina at the back of your eyes. The retina acts as a screen. Okay, retina acts as a screen on which image is formed. Okay, now image is formed. Okay, retina contains nerve cells. These carry the messages to the brain through optic nerve. The brain study the messages, receive the messages, what we see that object. Is it clear? So now how, okay, take care of our eyes. Okay, how should we take care of your eyes, Amma? How should we take care of your eyes? Don't rub the eye too much. Every day you have to clean your eyes with clean water. Will you do? Every day you have to clean your eyes with cool water. Don't rub on your eyes, Amma. Okay, don't read in a moving vehicle. It may strain your eyes, Amma. Okay, you have to maintain 6 feet distance away from the television set. And also don't walk in a, don't do your work in a dim light. If light is sufficient, then you have to do your work. Okay, na? Don't do your work in a dim light. Your eyes may get damage. Your eyes may strain and damage. Okay, children? Okay, and yes, don't read in a moving vehicle. Sit at least 6 feet away from the television set. Is it clear? Okay, children? Okay, is it clear, Amma? Structure of an eye. How many parts it has? Okay, this is the cornea. The front part of the eye is called cornea. That is the circular and transparent layer is present. That is called cornea. Cornea is the protective shield. Is it clear? Okay, this white color part is called sclera. Okay, in the center of the eye, one blue color structure is, okay, colored part is present. That is called iris. In the center of the iris, one small dot like structure is present. That is called pupil. Okay, behind the pupil is the lens. Okay, when the light travels, Okay, when the light travels through the pupil and the lens onto the retina, the image is formed. Okay, it sends all the information to the brain through optic nerve. This is the big neuroma. Okay, na, and the retina also contain nerve cells which carry the messages what we see from outside onto the brain through the optic nerves. Okay, the brain receives the messages what we see that object. Okay, take care of your eyes, amma. Wash your eyes every day with clean water. Okay, you have to maintain the 6 feet distance away from the television set. Okay, and also don't read on a moving vehicle, and also don't work in a dim light. Okay, children, today you have to read the textbook. Okay, lesson number 4, sense organs, mainly structure of an eye. Okay, structure of human eye. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you about ears. Okay, children, take care.